Hi, I'm Jeff Moisan with Keller Williams Home Group Realty. Today I'll be providing you with the Guelph and Tri-City housing market stats for the month of April. Before we dig in too deep, let's look at some of the key metrics relative to April of last year. For Guelph, the median sale price was $735,000, which is down by 5.8%. The total number of listings was 383, which is up by 7.3%. The total number of sales was 143, which is down by 5.3%. For the Tri-Cities, in Kitchener, the median sale price was $685,000, down by 1.1%. In Waterloo, it was $745,000, down by 3.8%. And in Cambridge, it was $678,000, down by 4.9%. The Guelph housing market in April continued to reflect a more cautious and buyer-conscious environment compared to the fast-paced conditions seen in previous years. As mentioned previously, the median sale price settled at $735,000, down by 5.8% from April of 2025. Homes took slightly longer to sell, averaging 20 days on market. At the same time, increased number of new listings is giving buyers more options to choose from, especially with overall sales activity being modestly lower year over year. These numbers point to a market that's showing balance, but increasingly favoring buyers. More inventory and slower sales are creating additional negotiating power and allowing purchasers more time to make informed decisions. In most cases, anyways. Sellers are still finding success, but homes that aren't priced aggressively or not prepared properly are facing increased competition and longer selling times. Strategy, presentation, and realistic pricing have become very essential in this marketplace. Looking ahead to May and the broader spring market, activity is expected to gradually strengthen as seasonal demand increases. However, buyers are likely to remain selective and price conscious, meaning large price swings remain unlikely in the near future. If inventory continues to build at a measured pace, Guelph could see a healthier and more sustainable market environment emerge through the summer months, benefiting both buyers seeking opportunity and sellers who position themselves strategically. We're seeing very similar trends across our other local markets, although listing strategies do vary by area. Anecdotally speaking, we don't often see homes in Guelph intentionally priced well below market value with set offer dates designed to generate multiple offers. However, this strategy continues to be common in markets like Kitchener, Waterloo, and Cambridge. There can be advantages and drawbacks to this approach for sellers, and there are also ways for buyers to navigate these situations strategically. No matter what the market conditions, I can help guide you through the process every step of the way. If you're thinking about making a move this year, I could certainly help you make this happen. Feel free to reach out to me anytime. Thanks a lot for joining me, and have a great day.